We're here in Irvine, California today working on a project where we're re-imaging this building. This is a 5-story building located in a very prominent area. It's high profile. We've got Main Street going right here in front of us, and the owner wants to increase the attention that's coming to this building. It's a little tired looking. Wanted to put it on the map in this neighborhood, and we're definitely doing that with this process. We're resurfacing the spandrel, painting the mullions, and come on over here, I'll show you what it looks like. This is just the penthouse windscreen, and we've got the HVAC equipment behind here. This is just designed to sort of shield that. I want to use this as an example though, because what's behind here is a blue, emerald blue spandrel glass. And that look is, right now, it's not cool. So we wanted to cover that up. Actually, 7 years ago, we did the same process. Now we have a new owner, and they want to go from, we went from blue to gray, and now we're going to a dark gunmetal gray. And as you can see, this changes with the light. You can see that it really does sort of shade shift. This has got a metallic finish to it. But we're basically taking this old tired spandrel and bringing it into the modern age, making it look cool again, making the building look fun and interesting. They've done an amazing job inside. We'll show some footage of the lobby here. Unbelievable job just turning this building into something really valuable. So we want to increase the NOI, we want to be able to increase the rent rates, get 100% occupancy and hopefully keep it that way. We also simultaneously want to reduce the energy costs of the building. Those two forces together are going to drive the NOI up. It's going to make this asset more valuable, more coveted, and I mean, who wouldn't want to be in this building now? I mean, this is absolutely a gem in the marketplace. So I'm here on the job site with my lead installer, Marcus. How are you doing, Marcus?
Good, how are you doing?
I'm doing all right. So we're really thrilled about how quickly and efficiently this project's going. How long have we been on this project so far?
3 weeks.
Well, 3 weeks, okay. And how far towards completion are we?
About 75% completed.
75%, so this goes pretty quickly.
Yeah, we're doing a full drop today.
Yeah, I mean, it's literally as people are driving by, they're seeing the building transforming before their very eyes. And there's really nothing disruptive. People were still working in the building. You know, people were coming in, parking. We cordoned off the area below the swing stage, right? Yep. And we've had good weather.
Yep. We're starting early to beat the sun, so.
Yeah, it's looking really good. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Thanks. They really left no stone unturned on this project. It's amazing. Everything from the interior lobby to the exterior to the sign, to the landscape that's going in right now. But not all buildings have the budget to do all of that at once. But just imagine if we completely transform the facade of your building, we're going to immediately start attracting traffic. We're going to make your building more energy efficient. We're going to make it more valuable and interesting on the marketplace. We're going to be able to get it fully occupied, get the rent rates up. That's going to increase your NOI. It starts with a phone call, starts with a conversation. There's no obligation. We'd love to talk to you. This is an amazing project.